As shown in the video, disassemble the external fasteners, being careful to catch them with your hands to prevent them from suddenly falling off. Then, pull the pull ring and shaft together to remove them, and then remove the nut. Next, remove the clamping sleeve, pull plate, reamer sleeve, reamer, and pre-cutting plate in sequence, remembering the front and back of each part to avoid reassembling them incorrectly. The disassembled parts can be rinsed clean one by one, and then the powerful auger can be pulled out and rinsed again.